Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nora Aliani binti Muhammad Shah. I'm from J4EM1104J. My matrix number is 20192810 and 22. So today I'm going to present one of the machining process from lab 2. So the machining process that I choose from lab 2 is contour mill fillet. Fillet is categorized in 2D contour where cutting fillet using corner round tool. So the cutting tools that will be used for contour mill fillet is ball nose and mill, where it is a long neck MRF 10-S16-150. And the number of inserts or the cutting edges is 1, and the size DC dimension is 10 mm. The LF dimension is 150 mm, while the LH dimension is 50 mm. Next, I will show to you guys how I do for part C. So first, click the link below. So it will go to this website, and I will choose the unit of measure is millimeter, and the operation is milling since we do the milling process. Then the material is aluminum alloy, and I will choose aluminum here. And the cutter material is carbide. And the cutting speed is 274. The end mill diameter is 10 mm. So the machine max is 6,000, and the cutting edges is 1. So I will calculate the description or parameter setting. Okay, so here I got the answer. For cutting speed is 274 meter per minute. The end mill diameter is 10 mm. The spindle speed is 6,000 RPM rotation per minute, and the machine max is 6,000. The cutting edges is 1. The chip load is 0.08 mm per foot, and the feed rate is 480 mm per minute. So next I will calculate for estimate time. Since the length of the cut is 50 mm, so it will be divided by the feed rate, and 30 mm divided by 450 mm per minute, and then the estimate time we got is 0.063 minutes.
Kick.